Looking for the best hand mixer to upgrade your kitchen? Stay tuned because we're breaking down the top contenders, from budget-friendly options to powerhouse performers. Let's kick things off with the GUALIU hand mixer, landing in the 5th spot on our list. This is a compact and lightweight mixer that's perfect for simple kitchen tasks. If you're just getting started with baking or need a small mixer for quick jobs, this one might catch your eye. The GUALIU comes with 5 speeds, plus a turbo boost button when you need a little extra power. It's impressively quiet, which is rare in this price range, and it includes both beaters and dough hooks, plus a storage bag to keep everything together. If you're someone who hates clutter in the kitchen, that little bag can actually be a lifesaver. But let's be real, the 150-watt motor just isn't powerful enough for serious baking. If you're planning on mixing heavy doughs or thick batters, this mixer will struggle. Plus, it has a recommended 5-minute limit before you need to let it cool down, which isn't ideal if you're working on big recipes. That said, if you're on a tight budget, live in a small apartment, or just want something for light mixing like whipping cream or beating eggs, the GUALIU could still do the trick. And don't forget, links to all the mixers in this video at the best prices are in the description below. Next up in 4th place is the OVENTE mixer. Like the GUALIU, this is another affordable and lightweight option, but what sets it apart is the snap-on storage case, which keeps your beaters and cord neatly packed away. No more digging through drawers to find attachments. The OVENTE has a comfortable grip and a simple design. It's great for light tasks like mixing pancake batter or whipping up some frosting. The beaters are dishwasher safe, which is always a nice touch when it's time to clean up. However, the low speed setting is still pretty fast, which can lead to splattering if you're not careful. And with just 150 watts of power, it's not going to handle heavy doughs or thick mixtures well. Some users have also mentioned concerns about long-term durability. If you want a simple mixer for light baking projects or quick jobs in the kitchen, the OVENTE is a solid choice. And hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more kitchen gadget reviews. Moving into the middle of the pack, we have the Hamilton Beach hand mixer in 3rd place. This one steps things up with a stronger 250-watt motor and more speed options, including a quick burst button for when you need a sudden power boost. One of the standout features here is the bowl rest. It lets you balance the mixer on the edge of your mixing bowl without making a mess. The snap-on storage case is also super handy, keeping all your attachments in one spot. Plus, it comes with both beaters and a whisk, so you get a bit more versatility. On the downside, this mixer is louder than most, and while it's stronger than the GUALIU or OVENTE, it still struggles with really thick doughs like bread dough. The plastic housing also feels a bit less premium compared to some competitors. If you're someone who bakes occasionally and wants a solid all-around mixer that won't break the bank, the Hamilton Beach is a great middle ground option. In 2nd place, we've got the Ninja Foodi Power Mixer. Now, this one is different because it's actually a 3-in-1 tool. It works as a hand mixer, an immersion blender, and even a frother if you need it. Talk about versatility. The Ninja comes with a powerful 750-watt motor that can handle just about anything you throw at it. From fluffy whipped cream to thick pancake batter and even pureed soups, it performs like a champ. The attachments are easy to switch out, and cleanup is super simple since everything is dishwasher safe. But, and this is a big but, it's heavy. At over 3 pounds, it's the heaviest mixer on the list, and that can cause some arm fatigue if you're mixing for a long time. It's also not great for crushing ice or making nut butter despite the powerful motor, and it's louder than some traditional hand mixers. This mixer is best for home cooks who want one tool to do it all. If you're making soups 1 minute and baking cakes the next, the Ninja is a great pick. Finally, taking the top spot is the Yomelo 9-speed digital hand mixer. This mixer combines power, precision, and quiet operation in a way that's hard to beat. With a 400-watt DC motor, the Yomelo is strong enough for thick batters and dough, but still runs quietly, under 60 decibels. The 9 speeds give you total control, and there's even a soft start feature to prevent splatter. Plus, the digital display and touch controls make it feel modern and easy to use. Now, it's a bit heavier than some models, and touch controls can sometimes wear down over time if you're rough with them. The storage case is also a little tight if you're trying to pack everything in. But overall, the Yomelo is the best balance of power, control, and convenience. If you're serious about baking but don't want to lug out a stand mixer every time, this is the one to get. That wraps up our ranking of the best hand mixers. Remember, all the top products are linked in the description below at the best prices. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a review.